Welcome back to All This Math. This is Professor Parker. Please make sure you are subscribed. Also, hit the like button. If you're here, just go ahead and hit the like button. All right. Also, share this video with somebody else. And also, if you have any questions or comments, please put your questions or comments in the comment section. Now, what are we doing today? We're using Quick 10 drawings to add two-digit numbers. We're about to add 17 plus 16. Right. Now, there are many methods that we could use to add 17 plus 16. But in this particular video, we're going to use Quick 10 drawings. Now, why are Quick 10 drawings helpful? Because it prepares our children to understand combining like terms, right? Through the use of place value, which will prepare them for Algebra 1 in the future, which is very important for them. All right, so how do I represent 17 and how do I represent 16 using a Quick 10 drawing? So the first thing I do is I ask myself, in 17, how many 10s are there? And in 17, how many 1s are there? There is one group of 10s in 17. That's why there's a 1 in the 10s, please. There are 7 1s in 17. That's why there's a 7 in the 1s, please. All right. So that means we got 17. So how do I represent that one group of 10s? With a vertical bar like that. That's how I do it, right? You could use somebody might use a different symbol, but that's the symbol I use, right? You can make up the symbol you want to use to represent how many 10s you got. So we got one group of 10s and then 7 1s. So with 7 1s, how many 1s is that? That's going to be 7. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7. All right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how do I represent 16? I represent 16. We put a 10, and then we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to combine all the 10s. Then we're going to combine all the 1s. When we combine the 10s, how many 10s do we have? We got two groups of 10. Two groups of 10. So that's 10 plus 10, which is 20. So we're going to put an equal sign and then put 20. Then I'm going to put a plus sign. Why am I putting a plus sign? Because you still got to add the 1s together. You still got to add the 1s into that. So let's count up all the 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that means 7 plus 6 is 13. So you put a 13 right here. Now, when I end up with an add-in, right, my second add-in is greater than 10. What I do is I do another Quick 10 drawing, right, to break this down. So how many 10s do I have in here? I got 1. So I put a vertical bar. How many 1s do I have here? I got 3. So I put 3 circles. Now, I combine my 10s. All right? So I got 20 and I got 10. So altogether, how many 10s is that? That's 3 10s. That's 3 10s. I got 20 and I got 10. That's 3 10s. So that's going to be equal to that part. The 20 and 10 is going to give me 30. Then I put a plus sign. What am I adding to that? These 1s. How many 1s is that? That's 3. So you put the 3 right here. Now, what's 30 plus 3? You can count on from 30, right? Imagine that's 30. And then we go 31, 32, 33. We got 3 fingers up and we stopped at 33. So that shows us that 30 plus 3 is 33. Or you could also say, well, if you know that 0 plus 3 equals 3, then 30 plus 3 should equal 33. All right. And again, this is preparation for Algebra 1, right? Where your children will have to combine like terms. That's a very important concept within algebra that jams up a lot of children if they don't understand. And it makes sense for them to just learn it early, like in first grade. It's never too early. All right. So the final answer is 33. And that means that 17 plus 16, 20 plus 13, and 30 plus 3 are also equivalent expressions. They're all equivalent expressions because they're all equal to the same number, 33. All right, 33. Like Scottie Pippen, 33. All right. Now, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe if you ain't subscribed yet. If you got questions still, cool. Put it in the comment section. Let me know what your questions are. All right, if you got comments, put your comments in. Also, share this video with at least one other person. All right, at least one other person. Somebody would benefit from understanding how to use Quick 10 drawings to show how to add two-digit numbers to young children. All right, peace.